The progress principle, unlocking motivation through decluttering. Whenever we strive for change, whether it's embracing a healthier lifestyle, acquiring a new skill, or enhancing a relationship, witnessing tangible progress serves as a significant motivator. This concept, known as the progress principle, suggests that even the smallest sense of achievement can drive our desire to persist and aim higher. We observe this principle in various aspects of our lives, be it the initial weight loss on a diet, the first visible changes from a new exercise routine, or the quick level-ups in mobile video games. These instances exemplify the progress principle in action. Visible progress encourages us to maintain our efforts. This principle is especially relevant in decluttering our homes, a task often perceived as challenging. Observing progress, achieving small victories, and experiencing positive outcomes in decluttering motivate us to continue. For instance, transforming just one clutter-free space not only provides immediate relief and satisfaction, but also inspires further action. This is why the Becker method, which advocates decluttering room by room from easiest to hardest, is more effective than attempting to tackle everything at once. 7 impactful areas for decluttering your home. With the progress principle in mind, here are 7 impactful areas for decluttering your home, each offering immediate and noticeable benefits that encourage ongoing efforts. 1. Wardrobe. Simplifying your clothing collection reduces decision-making time in the morning, eases laundry management, and creates more space and peace, leading to a better start to your day. A streamlined wardrobe not only saves time but also reduces stress associated with choosing outfits, making mornings more pleasant and efficient. 2. Bedroom. By decluttering your bedroom, you create a serene environment that promotes relaxation and better sleep quality, as studies have shown. A tidy bedroom can significantly improve your mental health by reducing anxiety and promoting a sense of calm, ensuring you wake up refreshed and ready to tackle the day. 3. Living room. As a hub for family interactions, a decluttered living room facilitates meaningful family time and minimizes distractions, fostering deeper connections. A clean and organized living room encourages social interactions and creates a welcoming atmosphere for both family and guests. 4. Bathroom. Organizing and removing unused items from your bathroom can streamline daily routines, reduce stress, and make cleaning easier, enhancing the overall space. A clutter-free bathroom not only improves functionality, but also makes the space more inviting and relaxing, turning your morning routine into a more pleasant experience. 5. Desk. Starting with your desk can significantly impact productivity and creativity by minimizing distractions and creating a more organized workspace. A tidy desk helps clear your mind, enabling you to focus better and work more efficiently, which is crucial for both professional tasks and personal projects. 6. Kitchen. A tidy kitchen simplifies meal preparation and transforms cooking into a more enjoyable task, making the space more functional and inviting. By decluttering your kitchen, you not only improve its aesthetics but also enhance its usability, encouraging healthier eating habits and more frequent home-cooked meals. 7. Toy room. For families with children, decluttering the toy room can reduce mess, encourage imaginative play, and teach children the value of simplicity and organization. A well-organized toy room fosters creativity and independence in children, allowing them to explore and play freely without the overwhelming clutter. These 7 decluttering successes not only create more space, but also deliver meaningful benefits to your home and life, making them an excellent starting point. As you experience the advantages of owning less, you'll be inspired and energized to continue decluttering, eventually tackling even the most challenging areas in your home. You can achieve it. To stay updated with more content like this, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. All things simple.